Have you ever wondered why we only see one side of the moon? And why is the other side, the so-called dark side of the moon, shrouded in so much mystery? Some believe NASA and world governments know something about it that they're not telling us. But what if I told you there are strange, unexplained events linked to this hidden lunar surface? Let's dive deep into one of the biggest space mysteries of all time. First, let's clarify a common misconception. The dark side of the moon isn't actually dark. It gets just as much sunlight as the side we see. However, because the moon is tidally locked to Earth, it never rotates in a way that lets us see its far side. That means for thousands of years, humans never knew what was back there. Until 1959, when the Soviet Union's Luna 3 spacecraft sent back the first ever images. What they found? A landscape covered in massive craters, far more than the near side. But here's where things get strange. Over the years, multiple lunar missions have picked up unusual data from the far side. In 1968, Apollo 8 astronauts reported hearing a strange, music-like sound coming from their radio systems while passing over the far side. NASA later dismissed it as radio interference, but some believe they encountered something out there. In 2019, China's Chang'e 4 mission became the first to land on the far side of the moon. What did they discover? An unusual, gel-like substance that scientists still can't fully explain. And let's not forget about the bizarre structures spotted in satellite images, some resembling artificial buildings. Now, here's where things get wild. Some theorists suggest that the far side of the moon is home to secret alien bases. One of the most famous claims comes from a former U.S. Army officer, Carl Wolf, who worked with NASA during the Apollo era. He stated in an interview that he saw classified images showing massive artificial structures on the moon, including what looked like giant towers and domes.
Showed this base, which had geometric shapes. There were towers, there were spherical buildings, there were very tall towers, and things that looked somewhat like radar dishes, but they were large structures.
Another popular theory is that the U.S. never returned to the moon after Apollo 17 because they were warned away by extraterrestrials. Apollo astronauts have hinted at seeing other objects, watching them while on the lunar surface, but NASA remains silent on these claims. And let's not forget, there are conspiracy theories that suggest NASA already has secret bases on the far side, hidden from the public eye. If that's true, what are they hiding from us? Is the far side of the moon just an unexplored, rocky wasteland, or is there something hidden there? While most of these theories remain unproven, one thing is certain: the moon still holds many mysteries. With upcoming missions from NASA's Artemis program and potential lunar bases in the future, maybe we'll finally uncover what's really on the far side, but until then, we're left with more questions than answers. What do you think? Is the dark side of the moon just an untouched part of space, or is there something NASA doesn't want us to know? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into space mysteries and conspiracies, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.